The Chandrayan Mission Part 1. Chandrayan-1 was India's first lunar exploration mission, launched by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, on October 22, 2008. Here's everything you need to know about the Chandrayan-1 mission. Objectives. The primary objectives of the Chandrayan-1 mission were to create a detailed map of the lunar surface, study the lunar mineralogy, investigate the presence of water ice on the moon, and understand the moon's origin and evolution. Mission components. Chandrayan-1 consisted of an orbiter spacecraft that carried a suite of scientific instruments to observe and study the moon. The total weight of the spacecraft was around 1,380 kilograms, 3,040 pounds. Payload. The spacecraft carried 11 scientific instruments, including spectrometers, radars, cameras, and particle analyzers. Some of the notable instruments were: Terrain Mapping Camera, TMC. TMC captured high-resolution 3D images of the lunar surface, providing valuable information about its topography. Lunar Laser Ranging Instrument, LLRI. LLRI used laser beams to accurately measure the distance between the spacecraft and the lunar surface, enabling precise mapping of the moon's gravitational field. Moon Mineralogy Mapper, M3. M3 mapped the lunar surface to identify and analyze the mineral composition of the moon. Mini Synthetic Aperture Radar, MINISA. MINISA used radar waves to search for water ice in the permanently shadowed regions near the lunar poles. Lunar Impact. As part of the mission, Chandrayan-1 released the Moon Impact Probe, MIP, a small instrument package that separated from the spacecraft and made a controlled crash landing near the Moon's south pole. MIP carried instruments to study the thin lunar atmosphere during its descent. Mission Achievements. Chandrayan-1 successfully completed its primary objectives and made several significant discoveries. Some key achievements of the mission include: detection of water molecules on the lunar surface, particularly in the polar regions. Confirmation of the presence of widespread volcanic activity on the moon in the past. Detailed mapping of the lunar topography, including the first 3D map of the moon's surface. Identification and mapping of various lunar minerals, including the mineral composition of the moon's surface. Mission duration. The planned operational life of Chandrayan-1 was 2 years. However, the mission ended prematurely on August 29, 2009, when the ground control lost contact with the spacecraft. Despite the early termination, the mission achieved most of its objectives. The Chandrayan-1 mission marked a significant milestone for India's space program and contributed valuable data to the scientific understanding of the moon. In the next video, we will know all about Chandrayan-2. Like and subscribe for your space.